So we're going to talk about a nice little ritual that will make your evening together so amazing. And it really doesn't matter whether you're a husband or wife. You can initiate this, and you could do it in a very subtle fashion, or you could just come out and say, hey, I came across this video and there's this ritual that I learned, and here's what it is. Now, this is not a bedtime ritual, because what happens in your bedroom, frankly, is your business. I don't go there with you. But what I want you to do is, this is a ritual for in the evening when you're sitting and watching television, or you're just talking about the day. What you should do, ritual means this is what you do all the time, is the first step is to think, wow, I really love my husband, or I really love my wife. And then sit very close together and hold hands, not just one hand, but two hands. Or if you're the wife, put your arm into his and be connected physically. That's the main point. So make it a ritual to have this physical connection. Why? We're energy. You know, we're kind of taught that, but it's true. If you were to look at even a brick, a hard object, hardest object you could think of, platinum or gold, and you looked at it through an electron microscope, you would see that it's moving and it's energy. It's all these protons, electrons, and atoms moving around, constant movement. We are special. We're souls. God made us in his image. What does that mean? That means his image is love. God is love. And so we are love. We're this basket of love. We don't think about ourselves that way or feel that way, because we also have a mind and a body, and we're so distracted from our true nature. Now, you see it in a child, in an infant or a baby or even a little child who's just smiling, and their smile lights up the room because they're not distracted yet. So when we connect that way with our physical bodies, we're connecting the love. But when you think of it in those terms, it energizes this love. And my gosh, it really sets the stage for the rest of the evening. Isn't that beautiful? Now, I want to share with you, most of what we do at the Marriage Foundation is save marriages. And although this tip that I just gave you isn't for saving a marriage, it's just a nice little thing to think about and to do. But the way we save marriages at the Marriage Foundation is by teaching marriage and then teaching processes. And so we have different offerings. I've got a couple of books that I've written way back, and they're still doing very well. You could check them out on Amazon. There's Breaking the Cycle, and there's Lessons for a Happy Marriage. They're wonderful books. They have actually saved marriages. And then we also have online courses, one for men and one for women. We don't do counseling at the Marriage Foundation, and there's a lot of reasons for it. But the main reason is it doesn't really work. Many of the people who come and take our online course say, yeah, we tried counseling. We've been in counseling. Sometimes I've heard as much as 2 years. Oh my God. So that's like taking your car into a shop to get it repaired, and it's in there for 2 years and it's still not running right. What's going on here? Marriage is very scientific. And so at the Marriage Foundation, our approach to marriage is very scientific. We rely on the natural sciences and spiritual sciences. Thus, there are spiritual sciences, because love is spiritual. And there's a science to how to manifest that love, how to bring it out, and just fill I call it the sacred space of marriage, fill your marriage with love and happiness. I'm going to tell you a little secret. Your marriage is designed to bring about the greatest happiness you've ever felt, not just a little bit, not just today, but constantly for all the days of your lives. I'm Paul Friedman. I founded the Marriage Foundation. I hope you like the video and you can hit the like, hit the thumbs up, and I hope you could also subscribe to the channel. And I would love to hear from you, so leave a comment. And share this video if you think it's worthy. I'm Paul Friedman, and I'm so glad you stopped by. God bless you, and take care. Thank you.